My Xiaomi Mi AirDots Pro are coming, guys, I promise. Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use, things like cell phones, cameras, tablets, drones. And if you're looking to pick up any of the products I talk about today, I'll have links to all of them in the description down below. Also, if you're on Telegram, I would love it if you joined my Telegram community. We talk about everything from Android to Xiaomi to tech in general, and it's a big community of people all over the world, and I would love for you to join it. Let's jump into the video. People keep on asking me, Mitchell, do you have your AirDots Pro yet? Do you have the AirDots Pro yet? Where's your AirDots Pro video? And guys, I have them pre-ordered. I already paid for them. I paid about 85 bucks here in Vietnam for them, so a bit of a markup. I did it for you guys, obviously, because all of the revenue that I generate with this channel just goes into buying tech for you guys to review. I'm expecting to have my AirDots Pro in hand around Tuesday, probably no later than Thursday of next week. If you want to be notified about when I get them, go ahead and hit the bell icon. I'm going to be posting updates on it. I'm going to be doing a hands-on when I get them. And real quick, I just wanted to go ahead and give everyone a roadmap to the content that I'll be doing on the AirDots Pro. First, we're going to have an unboxing and first impressions of them. You got to do that kind of stuff. I want you guys to see what's in the box. I want you to see how I react to them upon opening them up. Next, we're going to have the first 24 hours with them. So it's going to be talking about things like the feel of the device. How do the features work? Is it a seamless experience? They have active noise cancellation, which is awesome for a pair of truly wireless headphones. I don't know that many headphones that have that. So how does that work? Can I walk with them down the street and have most of the noise canceled? What's the microphone quality like? Just kind of stuff like that. How is the user experience? Then I'm going to be answering all of the questions submitted from my Telegram group. And if you're not on Telegram, you should get on it. But I have a link to a Google form that one of the members went ahead and created for us, and go ahead and drop your question in there. I'm going to be answering all of the questions that get submitted on that form in a video for you guys. Now, after I answer all of those initial questions, we're going to have a comparison video between the AirDots and the AirDots Pro, followed by a four-way shootout with the QCY T1 Pro versus the AirDots Pro versus the Xiaomi neckband headphones. And from that point moving forward, I don't have any videos necessarily planned. I'll probably post a picture of them on my Instagram at Mitchell Millennial. I don't really promote my Instagram much here, but if you want to know the moment I get them, I'm definitely going to be doing it on Instagram. And I just wanted to finish this video, put this out there so people stop asking me questions. I know you guys want to see more coverage of the AirDots Pro. I can't do anything yet. My importer is expecting them here in the next few days, and I've already paid for them. Okay, that's going to wrap up this video. This was just a short announcement video to answer people's questions. Till next time, guys, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. And if you want to see more about what life in Hanoi is like, I'll have a link up here to my other YouTube channel where I talk about living abroad. Until next time, peace.